Today we are making an easy to make and delicious kale salad. Now I really love sweet onion vinaigrette for this recipe. You can use store-bought or you can make your own. In this recipe we are making our own. Here are some of the ingredients that we would need for this dressing. 1 medium-sized onion, 1/4 cup red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 3/4 cups olive oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard, and salt and pepper to taste. Start off by adding all of your ingredients except for the olive oil and salt and pepper. Now go ahead and mix all the ingredients together, and after that's pretty well pureed, we're going to go ahead and slowly add in the olive oil. Now we're going to put salt and pepper to taste. And there you have it, amazingly easy to make salad dressing. Now for the salad itself, here are the ingredients. You're gonna need some dried cranberries, some sliced almonds, some red onions, and some shaved Parmesan cheese. Start by pouring in your dressing, not too much, just enough to coat the kale. So you want to just gently mix in the dressing just to get a nice coat. And again, the store-bought sweet onion vinaigrette works just fine if you're in a rush. So start by adding in your onions. Next, your dried cranberries, sliced almonds, and then finally your shaved Parmesan cheese. And there you have it, the best kale salad that you will ever have. I want to thank y'all for watching. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and ringing that little notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And also, please let me know what you think in the comments below, and until next time on the Foodie channel.